In the wild, danger is often hidden beneath beauty. While nature fascinates us with its magnificence, it also holds deadly secrets. Today, we explore the top 10 most dangerous animals in the world, creatures whose power, stealth, or venom make them feared and respected. These are nature's deadliest predators. Number 10. Box jellyfish. Found in the waters of Australia and Southeast Asia, the box jellyfish's venom can cause heart failure, paralysis, and death within minutes. Swimmers beware. Number 9. Cape buffalo. Known as the Black Death in Africa, the Cape buffalo is unpredictable and fiercely territorial. It can weigh up to 1,500 pounds and charges at speeds of up to 35 miles per hour. Number 8. Pufferfish. The pufferfish carries tetrodotoxin, a poison that's 1,200 times more deadly than cyanide. Just one pufferfish contains enough toxin to kill 30 humans, and there is no antidote. Number 7. Cone snail. This small sea creature injects venom with a harpoon-like tooth. There is no known anti-venom for a cone snail sting, which can paralyze and kill within hours. Number 6. Golden poison dart frog. This tiny frog secretes batrachotoxin, enough to kill 10 adult humans. Indigenous tribes use its poison to tip their blow darts for hunting. Number 5. African elephant. African elephants are powerful and can be highly aggressive. Weighing up to 12,000 pounds, they have been known to trample humans to death when threatened. Number 4. Saltwater crocodile. The largest living reptile, the saltwater crocodile, has a bite force of 3,700 pounds per square inch. They are fast, aggressive, and lethal to both animals and humans. Number 3. Hippopotamus. Despite their size, hippos are fast and highly aggressive, responsible for more human deaths in Africa annually than lions. Number 2. Mosquito. The mosquito is the deadliest animal, spreading diseases like malaria and dengue fever, killing over 1 million people annually. Number 1. Inland taipan, also known as the fierce snake. The inland taipan is the most venomous snake in the world. One bite can kill 100 adult humans, and though it is rarely encountered, its venom acts fast, causing paralysis and death in under an hour. These creatures are awe-inspiring, but they remind us that nature can be as dangerous as it is beautiful. Which animal shocked you the most? Let us know in the comments, and don't forget to subscribe for more thrilling top 10 lists from 10x Everything.